In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Genshin Impact on 144 FPS and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if we can get past 60 FPS, I'm going to attempt this on the PC version of Genshin Impact. You can also attempt this on mobile if you wish, or just do it on PC like myself. When we open up the settings, and we go into the graphics settings, the first option under custom is the frames per second amount. As you can see on PC and mobile, we're going to have 30, 45, and 60 FPS available in the settings. The only exception is if you're doing this on an Apple device, which should display up to 120 FPS. As of today, is there any way to choose an amount over 60? Maybe you have a high refresh rate monitor and you want to enter a custom amount. Sadly, as it stands today, for some reason, the only way to get past 60 FPS officially on Genshin Impact is, like I said, if you are playing on an Apple device which has access to 120. All other official releases of Genshin Impact are capped to 60 FPS. I want to make a disclaimer and say that while there are FPS unlockers for Genshin Impact, they are against the terms of service and could potentially get your account banned if they are discovered. So in this video, I am not going to show them off in accordance to MiHoYo's terms of service. This is something that you should do on your own risk. However, like I said, as it stands today, it is impossible to get past the 60 FPS cap officially. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware of the FPS limitations on Genshin Impact. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.